Hey folks, it's Dave Burrows from Barometer Capital Management. Wanted to share a few thoughts on the XLF, the Financial Services ETF. This is a holding we have. We got lots of financial services exposure, despite the fact we've been in a tough market. One of the interesting concepts that we like to focus on is breadth. We know when we went back to the June lows, 30% of the issues in the XLF remained in uptrends. That's defined by a point and figure chart. When the market made a lower low in October, actually 36% of companies were in uptrends. And recently, at the end of December, 50% of stocks in the XLF were in uptrends. And as of today, in a strong market, 54% now in uptrends. When you're going through a bottoming process, you want to try to identify securities that are showing improving internal strength. The concept of breadth is a really important one. When you go through a decline, eventually the strongest stocks will turn up first. And then as the market starts to go through a bottoming process, breadth will start to expand. In a healthy market, over time, more and more stocks should participate. Of course, late in an advance, eventually there are problems and the weakest securities roll over first. When breadth starts to deteriorate, it means it's a group you probably want to avoid. We think XLF looks pretty interesting here. And despite the fact that there's lots of bearish sentiment, we think that there's a lot of bottoming activity going on in this market.